Sick of Minecraft lagging behind your expectations? Let's fuse the power of Optifine with the flexibility of Fabric to unlock your ultimate gaming experience. First off, we need the Fabric installer. Head over to the official Fabric website and download the Universal JAR file. This program will help us set up Fabric for your chosen Minecraft version. Once downloaded, run the Fabric installer, select the Minecraft version you want to play on, and make sure you choose the installer tab. Then, simply click Install and confirm the process. This creates the necessary Fabric loader files in your Minecraft directory. Next, we need our bridge OptiFabric. Go to the OptiFabric project page, usually found on sites like CursorForge or GitHub. Find the download for the specific Minecraft version you just set up Fabric for. It'll be a jar file that looks similar to other Minecraft mods. Now, locate your Minecraft installation folder. The easiest way to do this is by opening the Minecraft launcher, going to Installations, selecting your Fabric profile, clicking the folder icon, and then opening the newly created mods folder inside. This is the crucial step. Drag and drop the OptiFabric jar file you just downloaded directly into that mods folder. That's it for the setup. Finally, open your Minecraft launcher, select the Fabric profile you created earlier, and hit play. You've successfully installed Optifine with Fabric, ready to enjoy smoother gameplay and all the benefits of Optifine within the Fabric modding environment.